Good morning, everyone. Today is Saturday and we are on our way to Ikea right now. We got all ready and our moms went and got us coffee this morning in the mall since it's connected, and we checked out and everything, and right now we're headed over to Ikea because I need to get some dishes for the dorm. So that's what we're doing right now, and then we're gonna shop at the mall for a little bit. So I love Ikea because it's like a huge maze and I can never find my way out, but we'll see how that goes today. But yeah, just wanted to say good morning, and I'm sad we left our hotel. But tonight's hotel is also supposed to be really nice too, so yeah. So I'm thinking about getting the pink set. I'm missing a nail. The pink set, but Gracie likes the blue set. I think I'm going with the pink set. Hello everyone. I did not vlog much in Ikea just because it was super busy, but I did vlog a little bit, so you saw that. Right now we're headed over to the mall and we're gonna get some Chick-fil-A for lunch because Jesus' chicken is the best. And then we're gonna shop around a little bit. I need to find a planner. Gracie's laughing at me back there. And yeah, that's basically the update for now.
Show my glasses.
Okay. So I just showed you guys this place called Dodo. And it's all cookie dough. You wanna be in it? It's all cookie dough, and it was so good.
That's amazing, but
we got one that's called Flight of Flight. Five of Flight. So we picked 5, something like that, 5 cookie doughs, and we all shared them, and they were really good, right?
But recommend getting only 1 scoop because
we didn't even finish it because it's super sweet. But now we're going to Walmart because she's gonna buy an Apple Watch. I'm gonna get some water. She's gonna get some medicine, and yeah, and then we're gonna drive to our new hotel.
Excited!
Yeah. Bye. So we went to Walmart.
Nothing.
They didn't have Apple Watches. Gracie is very upset. I'm very upset for her. So now we are currently getting to the hotel, and I'm gonna edit the vlog from yesterday because I'm gonna make it real good. And then we're gonna change into our Bryan shirts, and then we're gonna go and watch Bryan and have a great time. Also, I got the best food on the planet, hot Cheetos. Yes. This is the view from our hotel room. We're on the 22nd floor. Correctly.
My world's at the tips of your fingers. I get so Let's go.
Gracie, what did you think of the concert?
It was awesome.
It was amazing. I had my glasses on. Very many drunk people. Right now we're walking back to the hotel. It's a couple blocks away. And I'm gonna go back and edit.
Very crazy.
Very.